Hi, welcome back. So Madam Glam sent me some really pretty gel polishes. So we're gonna swatch them and then create a design. So we got the top coat, the base coat, and then these really pretty colors. And I picked out this green color. Look at her. It's called Rainforest. And yeah, she's definitely giving like animation leaves, like animated leaves vibes. And then we have this muted pink color. It's called All Natural. You know, she's all natural for somebody, you know, not my skin tone, but that's not the point. I really liked this really pretty muted pink color for the design that I had in mind. And then this one turned out to be my favorite. It's like, oh my gosh, it's called the Persian Sea. I don't know why, but it's this really pretty periwinkle color. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So let's get into these swatches. And we're gonna start with this nude color. Just a random note, these polishes smell good. I don't know why they smell good, but they really do smell good. And with nudes, like really light color nudes, you typically do need 2 coats. So this is just the first coat of that all natural color. And then I'm gonna go in with my second coat just so I know the exact color that it is, because you can't really judge off of one coat. And that's what she looks like with 2 coats, really opaque. You know, it's not really splotchy or anything like that. So I'd say 2 coats is good. If you wanna go for 3, go ahead, but we're gonna stop at 2. And that is all natural. She's so cute. Okay, now let's move on to the Persian Sea, this really pretty periwinkle purple. Is periwinkle purple or is it like a shade of blue? I feel like it's a mix between the two. So this one, oh, we're gonna call her one coat princess because you only need 1 coat and you're done. If you can see, it's so pigmented. I love that. I love when a polish is just, you could use 1 coat and be done. And that just makes your life so much easier. And you don't want to use thick coats or anything. This is 1 thin layer and she's good. 1 coat. Like I said, we're done with that one. We're moving on. Persian Sea, 1 coat princess. And then the rainforest color. So there we are after 1 coat. And this one needed 2 coats. So she's not a 1 coat princess, it's a 2 coater, but it's fine. It's fine. That's standard. And these polishes are really buttery. They're not too runny, but they're really not thick. You don't want a thick polish because then it's not gonna cure right. It's gonna be all bubbly. And then a thin polish, you're gonna need so many layers. So this is a nice happy medium. So there she is after 2 coats, the rainforest color. And then I'm gonna top coat these with the Madam Glam top coat. Gotta shout out to them because they're vegan and cruelty free. You know, we like saving the animals. And look how juicy she is. So I just wanted to show you guys how the top coat was, like if it's runny, it's thick. Again, the consistency of these polishes is just a really happy medium. And I don't know if you can really tell, but look at that top coat. She's shining. And I just put them together because I didn't know if you could tell if they were top coated because the finish on the polish is pretty shiny anyway. But yeah, the top coat is top coating. It's doing its job. It's so shiny. So let's do a look with these colors. I'm gonna use the all natural color and the Persian sea color to do an ombre. And when I do my ombres, check out this video right here if you want a full video on how I do my ombres, but it's really, really easy. So first, I'm just taking the base layer that I'm using, and I'm always putting down one coat of that before I start my ombre. Okay, so I got my one coat down. I'm gonna cure that. Yeah, that's one coat, y'all. And then I'm gonna go in with these sponges to do my ombre. I'm just gonna load up my sponge with the colors that I'm using. And go in with first layer of the ombre. And it already looks really cute with the first one layer, but I always like to do at least 3 layers when I'm doing ombre. So this is my second layer. Second layer, cure. And my third layer. And in my old video, I was getting so many comments about how much polish I use during the ombre, but I really don't think it's that much polish. I mean, if you're using 3 coats, if you're polishing a nail 3 times, it's pretty much the same, in my opinion. But here we are as the finished ombre with the 3 layers on all of the nail tips that I'm doing the ombre with. This is raw, what it looks like after 3 layers of that ombre technique. And I put a matte top coat down before I do any line work because I just think it makes it a lot easier when it's not slippery. And I could not get the line work on camera really good. I'm still getting used to the camera, but I did these cute little easy line designs with the purple color. And then I went in with this glitter for just like a really subtle line on there, just like a little subtle little touch. Not too much, not too much. And then I wanted to draw a butterfly. I've never drawn a butterfly. So, you know, we just got my picture for a reference and we're just doing it. We just went in and did it. And I think it came out pretty nice. So you guys, don't underestimate yourself. Believe in your abilities. And look, I really had never drawn a butterfly before. I surprise myself every time I pick up my art brush. And I did a two-tone for the butterfly, so I used the purple and the pink and just did different color wings. And then this is what we got with the little art that we did. And now I'm gonna go in with these cute little flowers that I got off of Amazon. And then I'm gonna use this 4D carving gel to do my 3D work. 4D, and then I'm gonna use these cute little bling rhinestones that I got off of AliExpress. And right now I'm just checking to see which size I'm gonna use, and then I'm laying out all my bling. I always lay out my bling before I apply. And now I'm just trying to figure out which size flower I'm gonna use. I used my Macart rhinestone gel in that little container because it makes your life so much easier. And look, this is the finished design for the bling. And now I'm just doing my 3D work, which is so fun and easy with the 4D gel. And after all of that work, this is the finished design. I love it, you guys. Comment down below some names for this because I'm definitely adding her to the website. And if you guys want to try any of the Madam Glam polishes, definitely use code Jazzie35 because they hooked me up with a 35% off discount for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. If you'd like a longer tutorial on this video, comment down below because I don't know unless you tell me. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.